Gold coin prices. How much are gold coins worth? Part 1. From investment-grade bullion to vintage and circulated coins, a wealth of opportunities are waiting for you. But how do you determine their worth and what factors influence the prices? Let's explore together. If you want to read the full article now, see the link in the video description. Also, if you want to make sure your savings are keeping up with the higher cost of living, see the link in the video description to access the free inflation retirement calculator to make sure you are on track. Investment-grade gold bullion coins. Diving into the realm of investment-grade gold bullion coins, you'll discover a multitude of options and factors to consider, from the premium over spot price to the coin's purity and mintage, all of which play a pivotal role in determining the coin's potential as a solid gold investment. To get the best bang for your buck, it's crucial to find the lowest premium over spot price. Use comparison tools to seek out the cheapest gold eagles, Austria gold Philharmonics, Canada gold maple leafs, or gold Krugerrands. Gold coins are more than shiny baubles. They're recognized worldwide as a robust investment and a reliable store of value. Their purity and mintage are well known, solidifying their standing in the market and keeping dealer premiums within a reasonable range. In the vast sea of modern investment-grade gold coins, the decision-making process is overwhelming due to the myriad of choices. Take note, newly minted modern coins tend to bear higher production and distribution costs than their vintage or secondary market counterparts. For instance, gold maple leaf and Perth kangaroo, minted with 0.9999 pure gold, contrast with the American eagle, minted with a 22-karat alloy constituting 90% gold. The edges of the coins add another layer to their identity. While most have a reeded or inscribed edge, some modern coins like the gold Philharmonic boast a smooth edge. Also, legal tender face value is generally inscribed on newly minted gold coins, anchoring their value in the backing of their respective governments. Assortment of gold coin weights. When you delve into the assortment of gold coin weights, you'll quickly realize the wide variety of sizes available, from the well-known 1-ounce gold coin to fractional sizes, offering a range of affordable options for gold ownership. The troy ounce, a unit of measure historically used in the precious metals industry, is an integral part of this spectrum. You'll find the majority of sovereign mints across the globe still adhere to this standard, making it a universal language for gold investors. Fractional gold coins, while smaller in size, are no less valuable. Investment-grade fractional gold bullion coins are available in 1/2 ounce, 1/4 ounce, and 1/10 ounce sizes from most government mints. These options provide flexibility, allowing you to invest in precious metals at a level that suits your budget and investment strategy. Remember, the smaller the coin, the higher the premium over the spot price of gold. This is simply because the production costs for smaller coins are higher per unit of weight. So, while fractional gold coins offer affordability, they also come with a slightly higher price tag in relation to their weight. Predictably, the 1-ounce gold coin remains the most popular choice among investors. Its size and weight make it a convenient and universally accepted form of gold ownership. However, the availability of fractional sizes allows you to diversify your investment, reduce risk, and better manage your gold portfolio. As the gold market continues to evolve, the assortment of gold coin weights will continue to offer you an array of investment choices. I would just like to take a brief pause to thank you for supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video content. It really does help. Now back to the video. Vintage gold coins. Shifting your focus to vintage gold coins, you'll find that these historical treasures offer a unique opportunity to diversify your precious metals investment while connecting you to the rich history of global commerce. These coins, most commonly minted with alloys of 0.9% purity or greater, serve as a testament to the enduring value of gold. Their allure lies not only in their metallic worth but also in the unique market dynamics of numismatics, allowing you to benefit from both gold price fluctuations and collectors' demand. The beauty of vintage gold coins lies in their proven reputation as a store of intrinsic value, a status they've held for hundreds of years. They're more than just monetary instruments. They're historical artifacts, nostalgic reminders of eras when hard money was the only currency that mattered. You'll find great examples in low-premium gold coins like Mexican gold pesos, gold 20 francs, gold sovereigns, and pre-1933 US mint gold coins, which often have lower dealer premiums compared to modern gold coins. A great tax-advantaged means of owning gold coins can be done through a gold IRA. These gold companies have access to greater volume prices, competitive premiums, and a diverse selection. However, finding the right gold IRA company for your individual needs is critical. For example, if you require a low investment minimum to start a gold IRA, Birch Gold Group or American Hartford Gold would be two choices to consider. However, if you are a serious high-net-worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices and lifetime customer support, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. Furthermore, Noble Gold Investments offers gold IRAs and private investment options for home storage. Use the links in the video description to find the gold IRA company that best meets your needs. In part 2 of this series, we will discuss other gold coin investment options, such as US circulated and foreign circulated coins. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. If you have at least 100K in savings to protect and want to take advantage of the best gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold investing educational webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Reserve your spot today. Thanks for watching.